Welcome to TimeNews. Today we will be discussing the latest developments in the longevity industry over the past week. In this episode, we'll have a total of 11 news pieces to share with you. First, let's get started with drugs. In general science, researchers from Kanazawa University found that ergothioneine supplementation extended male mice lifespan, reduced frailty, and improved cognition. It attenuated age-related declines in weight, movement, and plasma biomarkers, while enhancing hippocampal neurogenesis and microglial phenotype modulation. When it comes to diet, RNA sequencing showed age-related muscle gene changes, partly reversed by caloric restriction. CR suppressed 69.7% of upregulated genes and rescued 57.8% of downregulated genes in aged muscle, suggesting potential therapeutic targets against sarcopenia, which is done by the University of Liverpool. In European Journal of Nutrition, scientists from Danish Cancer Institute found that doubling whole grain intake was associated with more years of lifespan, particularly in men. Those with the highest whole grain intake lived about a year longer without disease compared to those with the lowest intake, indicating potential benefits for healthy aging. In terms of obesity, a causal link was found between obesity and accelerated epigenetic aging, including grim age, phenoage, and telomere length shrinkage. The strongest association was observed between waist circumference adjusted for BMI and phenoage acceleration, underscoring the need to combat obesity to mitigate aging and associated health risks, which is published in Lipids in Health and Disease. Next is about longevity protein. Deficiency in any sirtuin, the longevity protein, accelerates cellular senescence in human stem cell by altering genome organization and rewiring chromatin contacts. This leads to aberrant activation of the pro-senescence gene PAPPA, offering insights for aging interventions, which is done by Chinese Academy of Sciences in Developmental Cell. A study in NPJ aging reveals that the FOXO longevity variant is associated with longer telomeres and increased telomerase activity in older individuals. It also correlates with higher FOXO3 expression and age-related changes in the inflammatory cytokine level, with variation observed between sexes, which is done by the University of Hawaii. Researchers from the University of Pittsburgh discovered a healthy aging metabolic index predicting healthy aging. They found association between fatty acid oxidation, elevated SASP markers, and biological aging, suggesting specific metabolites as potential aging drivers, which is published in Aging Cell. The study found that as we age, a specific type of RNA accumulates in brain cells, affecting mitochondrial function and leading to problems in producing glutamate, which can impact memory. Targeting this RNA could potentially help improve memory in older individuals, which is done by the University of Science and Technology of China and published in Cell Metabolism. A study investigated the age-related heart changes using CMR, revealing smaller ventricular dimensions in women and age-associated decreases in size, along with increased LV mass to volume ratio. LV stroke volume decreases with age, more notably in men, highlighting sex-specific differences during healthy aging, which is published in clinical research on cardiology. In mice, lacking Tert in endothelial cells, signs of cellular senescence and tissue hypoxia was observed, leading to leaky blood vessels, compromised blood-brain barrier, impaired cognition, and reduced muscle endurance. These findings suggest potential therapeutic targets for age-related conditions, which is done by the University of Texas and published in Aging Cell. Finally, in Cell Death and Disease, age-related decreases in skeletal muscle Agrin levels lead to premature muscle aging and sarcopenia when lost in myogenic progenitors and satellite cells. Elevating Agrin level improved muscle function in aged mice, suggesting it as a potential therapeutic target for sarcopenia, which is done by Nanchang University. And that is all. Thank you for joining us on this week's Time News. We hope you found these updates informative and inspiring. We'll see you in next week's broadcast. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Wishing you a happy and long life.